Welcome to the Tech channel for everyone. And this is a special occasion. We have the unboxing of the iPhone 11, the latest iPhone from Apple. And of course, they were announced not very long ago. They were released only 24 hours ago. And we have this fantastic occasion of unboxing what looks like a very beautiful one, a red iPhone. It actually looks nice on the box. We'll see if it looks nice once the box is opened. So, of course, the iPhone is the first object that you see facing down with the camera lens. And let's check out the beautiful manufacturing and packaging that Apple always does, that Samsung also copies. And can I remove this?
Yes, you can.
So we'll remove this and not drop the phone right now after we just opened the box. So beautiful device, not too heavy, and looks pretty beautiful actually. So we'll be, of course, doing another video afterwards where we'll be, of course, using it. We'll even compare it in a video to older iPhones running iOS 13, the latest version of the operating system. So designed by Apple in California and made in China by Foxconn, probably. So of course, this the little broad product documentation. They actually had to give us a little paper to say that it's red. And of course, bonjour in French and hello in English.
Actually, the product red paper, it says that they give some of the money to like Cancer Foundation. Or
Oh, really? So some of the money goes to the Cancer Foundation.
When you buy a red.
When you buy the red one. Oh, this is nice.
I think it's Cancer.
Oh, yeah, it says here, in partnership with Red, Apple will contribute a portion of your iPhone purchase to the Global Fund to support HIV/AIDS program and help deliver AIDS-free generation. Learn more and donate at red.org. Oh, this is nice. This is actually a good idea. Why not? And so if you purchase a red one, you'll actually be helping out. And of course, this is the small little key that you can use to put the SIM cards and stuff. And of course, the regular stickers that Apple always wants you to put everywhere on your card, on your car, on your shirt, on everywhere. You have the standard. This is, I believe, as long as I can remember Apple, this little cube has always been this little cube for the power of Apple devices. Even iPads had this little cube. Some have a bigger cube for the iPads, but so this is, of course, little power supply with USB port, which is nice. You've got the earbuds that are not wireless. They are the regular corded earbuds that are probably, with their little connector there for Apple devices, which means that, of course, if you've got your favorite, earphones that have a regular 3.5 millimeter connector, you won't be able to use them without an adapter. And there's, I guess, no adapters included. So you've got Apple's earbuds. They do sound okay in general, but they're not the best. I'm not, I can't say that I've always been happy with the Apple earbuds. They do sound nice, but nice is pretty much the only thing I can say about them usually. And of course, the cable here for connecting and charging the phone, and of course, possibly connecting it to a PC or a Mac computer. And I'm surprised about one thing, is that they, we're at iPhone 11, we're in 2019. I'm surprised they're still using the good old USB connector. I don't know, expected they might use USB-C, which is getting quite popular on a lot of devices. So this is kind of interesting. Then at the same time, the Samsung phones use USB-C on the phone, but use a regular connector, which is probably because it's standard with everything. And at least it's a good thing, because if you lose that little brick, you probably can use another power supply, unless they still have that way of telling you, oh, this is not a certified Apple product, so you can't charge.
Sometimes only.
It doesn't always happen, and sometimes it happens after an update. Sometimes it works for like 6 months. Then you get an iOS update and you're like, oh, this is not compatible anymore. Anything else in here? I don't think so. So we've gone through the unboxing here of the red iPhone, which is a beautiful device. This is, what size is this one? I'm trying to remember the size of the iPhone here. So this is the iPhone 11. They have what? The iPhone 11, 11 Pro,
11 Pro Max.
Pro Max. So this is, I guess, the smallest of the iPhones, possibly.
Yeah.
And we'll, anyways, talk about it in the next video when we actually start it up and begin using it a little bit. It's going to be interesting. There's, I know that the bigger iPhones have 3 lenses for the camera, which apparently drives a lot of people crazy. And this one has 2. And of course, we'll be looking at the specs as we start it up and examining how many megapixels for the cameras and how much storage is in here. And also we'll be comparing screen. We'll actually look at, just out of curiosity, compare the screen not only with an older iPhone, but we'll compare the screen with Galaxy S9 Plus. Just a question of seeing which phone has the most beautiful screen, actually. Because I believe they're all OLED. And which is interesting is that this screen is made by Samsung. Which means technically it should be the same as the Samsung Galaxy phones. If I'm not mistaken, I know that on the iPhone 10, it's Samsung for the screen. So I guess it's possible on the 11 also. We'll verify that to make sure that we don't just, say everything that's wrong on the videos. So this is the unboxing. So it's very simple. It's made to be beautiful and easy to just, start your product. And in the next video, we'll actually see it in its working state. And we'll check out a little bit more. We'll give some of the specs of the phone and details of our own comments of what we think. So if you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.